Hello, and thank you for tuning in to another video tutorial on the Monogram Wizard Plus presented by Needleheads. Today we're going to talk about saving our design or exporting a stitch file. As you see on the screen, we still have the design up from our last lesson. Okay, we have it aligned correctly, we have the right motif we want, we have the right letters we want, we know our length and height is good to fit in our hoop, and now it's time to export a stitch file and sew it out. To do that, we will come down in our system functions and we will click Save. The first screen that pops up is our design format. We have all the popular formats here: Tajima, Brother, the two Janome file formats, Melco, and Bernina Deco's EXP. If we select a format we want, let's say Brother PES, we click on OK, and the next window is our design sizing window. In this window, it shows our current size in inches and millimeters and allows us to define a new size if we wanted to. Let's say our design just barely didn't fit in our hoop and we wanted to fit it to our hoop. We could constrain it to the height or the width, millimeters or inches, and we have the ability to rotate our design right or left to make it fit in our hoop also. In this demonstration, everything's set fine. So we just want to click OK. Our next window is our typical Windows Save As dialog box. And as you see here, we are using Windows 7 and Windows Vista. Their Microsoft's programming standard is that all data files for programs get saved into My Documents and then into a folder that has the program's name. So here it would be Matt's Documents and then Monogram Wizard. So that's where the default location is. We can use our navigation here to change the location if we want to. Once again, for this tutorial, we will use the default location, and we recommend the default location. That way you always know where all your Monogram Wizard stitch files are. We give it a name, and we click Save. And now at that point, if we go to Windows Explorer, open it up, we go to our Documents folder, and we go to Monogram Wizard, you'll see our file rkb.pes right there. And at this point, you do whatever method that you need to get the design to your machine. Whether you use a card writing box, you open up in another piece of software and digitally send it via USB cable, whatever mechanism you use to take designs from your computer to your embroidery machine, that process would come into place here. Once again, thank you for tuning in to another video tutorial here on the Monogram Wizard Plus.